नमस्कार दोस्तों। Today in this particular video I am going to discuss section first of Indian Evidence Act. Indian Evidence Act was prepared by Sir James S. Stephen. Section first provides it its short title, extent and commencement. Short title: what is the title of the act? The title of the act is Indian Evidence Act. It commenced on first day of September 1872. It extends to whole of the India. It applies to all kind of judicial proceeding, but does not apply to affidavits and also does not apply to the court of arbitrator. Besides that, it also applies to court martial, except the court martial which are convened under Army Act, Naval Discipline Act, Indian Navy Discipline Act or the Air Force Act. Thereafter, question comes before us that what are judicial proceedings? Judicial proceedings are those proceedings where the court has to determine the juror relationship between one person and another, or a group of persons, or between him and the community generally. It is a judicial proceeding. At the same time, we must know what is meant by non-judicial proceeding. An inquiry about the matter of facts where there is no discretion is to be exercised. No judgment is to be formed, but something is to be done in a certain event as a duty is not a judicial proceeding but a administrative inquiry. So from the definition of both these terms we can clarify what is judicial proceeding and what is non-judicial proceeding. In judicial proceeding, something is done judicially that is in accordance with law. अब सेक्शन फर्स्ट के दौरान हमारा लिए ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि what is the need behind passing this act. Firstly, तो when some case is filed before the court, whether it is of civil nature, whether it is of criminal nature, court has to decide its facts. What are the facts? What are the pleading of the parties? On that pleading, court has to frame the issues. After framing issues, court has to take evidence. अब कोर्ट को जो एविडेंस लेनी है वो दो फॉर्म में एविडेंस लेगा, या तो ओरल या डॉक्यूमेंट्री. अब ओरल एविडेंस की क्या ऑथेंटिसिटी होगी एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस को कैसे साबित किया जाएगा, ये सब जो सवालों के जवाब हैं वो इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट में दिए गए हैं कि हाउ अ डॉक्यूमेंट शैल बी प्रूव्ड बिफोर ए कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. तो जो बेसिकली इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट है वो एक लेक्स फोरी जो है लेक्स फोरी है. लेक्स फोरी का मतलब है द फ्रेज मीन्स द लॉ ऑफ द प्लेस ऑफ एक्शन वेयर द प्रोसीडिंग्स आर गोइंग, द लॉ ऑफ द प्लेस ऑफ एक्शन शैल बी एप्लीकेबल. तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. नमस्कार दोस्तों.